wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old
Welcome to my channel, Mel's Video Journal. I'm Mel. This is my husband, Tim. This is our daughter, Charity. She's 4 years old, has a lot of attitude and a lot of energy. This is my son, Aiden. He is 2 years old, and he's definitely a mama's boy. And this is the new addition to our family, Isaiah. He is now 2 months old. Before all the babies and all the being needed and cleaning bottles and just having fun with my kids and the mismatched clothes, I was a makeup artist. I am a makeup artist. I just got sucked into motherhood and kind of forgot about myself in my dreams. So we're gonna get back on that in the near future. Right now, it's just been focused on motherhood, my babies. But I'm gonna start trying to do more self-care. As moms, we tend to let ourselves go because we're always caring for everybody else except for us. So today's my birthday. Did my makeup, did my hair, did my nails this week. But gonna try and do this on a regular basis, just to uplift your mood, make you feel better. Follow me along on this journey. I hope you will. It's gonna be about motherhood, tips and tricks, just my daily life, the real nitty-gritty, and just stuff that I do with my kids, self-care, and just my family, me and my family, and possibly there will be some makeup stuff in there as well, because that is a part of my life. Yeah, if you're here from my other channel, mellypatrice, welcome. Thank you guys for supporting me throughout all these years and me being inconsistent, and when I was filming tutorials. Just thank you all for your support and your love. Welcome to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna go. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.